Welcome to our channel again. This is Gladys Tenor. We're gonna bring you something different this afternoon, and it's so exciting. As you can see the picture, I've got two beautiful people, blessed people who are gonna test MOPANE worms all the way from MOPANE tree in Zimbabwe. There is Pastor Colin Tenor and Sister Victoria. These beautiful people say shalom to people.
Shalom Ukuthula, everybody. And just to show that even pastors and evangelists do get a bit of time off to enjoy themselves. And our enjoyment today is to try this this dish from Zimbabwe, all the way from Matabele land. MOPANE worms. Fresh, well, not fresh, but cooked, but from the MOPANE tree. So Prophetess wants us to try these, and we've gladly volunteered to try them.
Don't lie.
So,
What was
what
that?
do you say? Do you want me to go first?
No, what was the question?
What was
Victoria?
the question? Do you have a
Do
question?
we sit down or stand up to eat these?
Well, I said if I need to rush anywhere in particular, you know, maybe toilet or anything, having not being used to it and eating them, then I will stand up. But
I'm going to sit down.
you're going to sit down.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm going to sit down as well.
No, you sit down,
I'm going to
Pastor.
sit down as well because they look very nice, look very appetising. Just missing a bit of chwalla and some
what?
a bit of chwalla.
What's that?
Yeah, so normally
A bit of mealy meal.
it's served with the sadza
Salsa.
or chwala in Ndebele, which is made out of maize meal
A bit of chumali,
and a bit of
Oh, the
greens.
smell.
So
They
the
smell. They have a smell to them.
so the greens.
Well, that's what they're cooked in.
We're missing a lot of things, so they were
Yeah.
gonna eat them as a snack.
We're
So-
just going to try them.
And
In the absence of any salt and vinegar crisps,
yeah,
we're going to try these.
right. Go
But I
on.
will get my own back on
I don't
Gladys
want a
because
big
I will
one.
make her try some traditional
They
Lancashire,
feel weird.
a traditional Lancashire dish, something like
It's dry, so just go for it. Oh, Mr. Tenor, did you put yours? Oh no, I've just missed that. Victoria, what are you chewing?
Oh.
Are you chewing it? Well done, you.
Right. Can't wait for it to be over.
Is it gone?
It's gone.
Right, Mr. Tenor, are you faking the
I'm
chewing?
still doing it.
Oh.
Did you? How many did you put in your mouth?
Only one, but it was nice, juicy, chewy one.
Was it salty?
It's weird.
Is it what you call an acquired taste?
Yeah. I won't be eating them like crisps, that's for sure.
No.
No.
Do you think?
The taste gets better when you know you're finishing it. When you know it's coming to an end, the taste seems to get better.
So there you go. That's MOPANE worms, guys.
Look at what they've done. If you want to know what faith is all about, faith is doing. I mean, faith
You've done very
without
well, man.
works
Thank you.
is dead.
Thank you.
Victoria is a faith woman. She's just demonstrated her faith that she's ready for a missionary in
I am.
Zimbabwe. Are you ready for
I'm
Mercy
ready.
Land?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah,
As long as we don't have to eat these all the time.
No, you're not gonna have those.
Victoria hasn't been to Zimbabwe, so it's going to be interesting because I'm sure Gladys will manage to find some more delicacies for us when we're there.
The challenge when we get to Mercyland is for Pastor Colin, to eat one alive.
Alive.
Now I might draw a line at that, having watched them on the trees and seen how they wriggle on the trees and how people pick them up and yeah, no, I think I might draw a line at that one, guys. But
Stay tuned.
But I'm sure, having been there and been out in the bush with my my dear brother-in-law and other people, eating the fresh fruits and things and everything that's found in the bush tucker, if you like. So it's a bit of like a bush tucker trial. Yeah, it was definitely. So it'll be interesting when we go and see what there is available for us in the way of bush tucker.
So come on, people, did you see what they did? Just congratulate them and tell us what you think about this video today, because we are getting ready
We
to...
managed the challenge though. They
managed the challenge. Well done. Well done. If you pass this challenge, then you are ready for Mercyland, Victoria Falls, Wanke National Park. That's what you're ready for if you pass this challenge.
And any of you viewers, if you can think of anything that we can give to Pastor, to Prophetess, that she can try, that's, from
Not a raw
UK,
prawn.
something from UK that she might not have tried, it might be interesting. We just thought we'd try a little video of humour for a change, just to try something different and to maybe put a smile on a few people's faces. So I hope we've done that.
This is really beautiful, and I'm proud of Victoria.
It's nice to meet you all.
Now I can see where we are going with this woman of God, Victoria. She's gonna hit that Zimbabwe. She's gonna change people there.
I
Because
just think if you go to somewhere, you should embrace the culture and embrace the way of life and try things. So
of
this
course.
is the first step, trying the widgety grub type thing.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
welcome, sister.
Like, subscribe, and share our videos, and comment. Tell us what you think about Victoria. And well, Pastor Colin, but Victoria, she's gonna be going to Zimbabwe for the first time as a missionary, and she's looking forward to it. She's just tasted MOPANE worms without the sadza. But next time we're gonna do some meat and something else for her to eat. But look, these are the things that are in the Bible.
Still alive.
Yeah, they're still alive. Remember John the Baptist eating locusts and honey, living in the bushes. That's how
that was his bush tucker.
that was his life. Yeah. So these are the things created by God. We don't know who discovered that you can eat these MOPANE worms. But look, hey, they've just been tested. I'll grab one myself.
You like them. It's different for you.
And everybody, wherever you are in the world.
Oh, that's so difficult to.
Sorry.
Okay.
Prophetess is just eating.
Chew, but very nice. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We love you all. We love you all.
Shalom.
Take care.
Shalom.